Yeah. I guess we ain't going nowhere for a little bit. Snowed about 14 inches. And I ain't picking up no shovel.